Listen and practice. Today I will tell you a beautiful story about the greatest motorcycle manufacturer, Harley-Davidson. William S. Harley is one of the founders of Harley-Davidson, a leading motorcycle manufacturer in the United States. William Harley was born on December 29, 1880 in Milwaukee, and died on September 18, 1943. He is best known for his key role in founding the company and developing the Harley-Davidson motorcycles that became known worldwide. Here is some general information about William Davidson and his contribution. 1. Founding of Harley-Davidson. In 1903, William Davidson and his partner Arthur Davidson founded the Harley-Davidson Motorcycle Company in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. 2. Main role. William Davidson held the position of technical director in the company and was responsible for designing and developing motorcycles. He worked hard to improve the performance and design of the bikes. 3. His role and success. William Davidson played a major role in the company's success in raising its reputation. He led efforts to develop powerful, durable engines for Harley-Davidson motorcycles. 4. Company history. Harley-Davidson has become known for its classic style and unique design, and is a pioneer in the motorcycle industry. 5. Culture and heritage. Harley-Davidson has become an integral part of American culture, bringing together clubs, parties, and festivals for fans of these bikes all over the world. William Davidson did a great job in developing the motorcycle industry and contributed greatly to building the Harley-Davidson brand. This company is considered an American icon and one of the most famous brands in the world of motorcycles.